Hello kids, welcome to Yammukidstv. Yellow color fan, happy face, smiley, super smiley. Okay kids, learn some colors. Kids, please subscribe my channel and share. First, blue color, sky blue color, orange color, pink color, red color, yellow color, then green color. Okay kids, unicorn hearts coloring, moon and clouds. Okay, let's coloring. Kids, first unicorn coloring. Red and orange. Then green and yellow. Then sky blue. Then and finally lavender. Super. Then moon coloring, yellow color moon. Which color coloring? Yellow color. Clouds coloring, sky blue color clouds coloring, sky blue color. Okay, super. Then cutie stars, orange color. Then hearts coloring,